welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! We've made it to 2021 and I can't believe it's already here. I had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's. It was just so nice to de-stress and do the things that I really enjoy. I've been really enjoying playing golf and tennis recently, so I was able to do that. And I also did some acupuncture and went to the chiropractor. And I know that Christmas and New Year's might be really tough for some people, and my hearts really go out to you if you're facing any hardships in your life right now. And also it can be lonely, so I really hope that you hang in there, and sending you positive thoughts for the new year. And also maybe it's time to think of some New Year's resolutions. Let me know, what are your New Year's resolutions? If you have one, a few of them, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know more about your resolutions. In today's video, I just wanted to sit down and do a what I got for Christmas haul. I'm not trying to brag in any way. I am very thankful and very fortunate to have received these gifts for Christmas. I'm very grateful to have family and friends who have given me some wonderful things that I'm really excited to be sharing with you today. And I really can't wait to use them. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany and I post videos on YouTube related to lifestyle, beauty, finance, and I really love it if you subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get to the video. The first item that I got is this Longchamp backpack, and you might be wondering why it's so small right now. You can fold this backpack so it's super small, like it's so tiny. And when you want to use it, just unbuckle this, and this is the backpack. I love these straps here, and it has a Longchamp sign. It has this zipper right here. So I love that. I'm very happy that I got this backpack for Christmas. Love it. The next thing that I got is an Instant Pot. It's huge. This is the Instant Pot Duo Gourmet, and these are the buttons there. And I've wanted an Instant Pot for so long. I'm super excited for this Instant Pot since I can definitely use it to cook some meats and some chilies in here. I'm super excited to make porridge. It does it so fast here as compared if you did it on a stovetop. So yeah, super excited for that. This one that I got as a gift also came with accessories. So we got these silicone pot holders and as well as the steamer basket. So that's super useful. I have a pretty small kitchen, so I was a little bit concerned that it would take too much counter space, but it doesn't take that much space at all. I do have my bread maker, and then I have this Instant Pot right next to it, so yes, I'm just trying to maximize all that space there. I can definitely see myself using the Instant Pot quite frequently. What I love about the Instant Pot is that you can just put everything there and take a shower, and by the time you get out of the shower, your food is ready. So who doesn't like that? The next thing I got is this KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set. I have a KitchenAid and I love it so much. I use it like all the time for baking, cakes, cupcakes, everything. Like I love my KitchenAid, and I've been eyeing this pasta roller and cutter set for so long, and I'm so happy that I received this as a gift. It has 3 of the attachments. So one for like to flatten out the pasta, then the spaghetti cutter and a fettuccine cutter. And I can't wait to try this out and make some fresh pasta. I love fresh pasta and they taste so good. Don't you feel like when you make your own food, it just tastes so much better? Yes, everyone loves a good restaurant quality meal, but I don't know, there's just something about making your own food that brings me so much joy. Also, I went to a ramen making workshop and they actually use these pasta cutters and rollers. So I might also try making ramen using this 3-piece set, and hopefully that works out well. The next thing I got are these fuzzy slippers, and aren't they the cutest things ever? It's baby pink, it has this crisscross, and it has a bit of a platform. Super soft and comfortable. This is like the softest thing ever. Warm and cozy. This is basically me in a slipper form. And since I've been working from home ever since quarantine started, I've been wearing my slippers so much, and so I'm very grateful that I've gotten these. I can't wait to use them. Who doesn't love a good slipper? Give this video a like if you like what you're seeing, and also subscribe down to my channel below. I also got this laminator. It is a hot and cold laminator machine. Can't wait to laminate stuff and use this. I also thought about printing out a calendar and then laminating that and putting it up next to my desk. So I think that will be super awesome to do that with this. So can't wait to try this laminator out. I also got these items from Uniqlo. These are heat tech knitted leggings, and they look so comfortable and cozy. They're so soft, and I'm sure that these will definitely keep me warm during the cold, dreary San Francisco weather season. I know that San Francisco doesn't get as cold as compared to other places, but we love a good pair of leggings. I'm a legging person. Who isn't? And I've just been living in leggings this whole quarantine. I just wear them all the time, so huge fan of this. I was also gifted this skirt that will go super well with the leggings. It matches the color and everything. So can't wait to wear this set together. Probably wear a turtleneck. I think that would be super cute. I also was gifted this lip ornament. It's so cute, and I love the packaging. These are the Pure Silk scrunchies, and I am for sure a scrunchie person. I can't wait to use them. I'm definitely a scrunchy kind of person. I was always a scrunchy person. I will continue to be a scrunchy person. I've also been putting my hair up more often these days. Get up in the morning, I always put my hair in a low ponytail, and I've been loving that hairstyle recently, so can't wait to use these scrunchies and not to damage my hair. Love it. I got this candle. This is from Bath and Body Works, I believe, and this is the White Barn Cactus Blossom scented candle. Oh my gosh, it's like the perfect floral sweet scent, and I love the scent. If you're into floral scented items, definitely pick this one up at Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy that I got this, and I love candles. I always like burning one at night and when I'm sipping some tea and reading a book, so love it. Last but not least, I was also gifted another pair of slippers. These are from the brand INC, and it looks like it has a little pom-pom there. Can't go wrong with more slippers. Love slippers so much, and these are so cute, and I love the little pom-pom there. Okay, so I hope you like this, what I got for Christmas haul. Again, I'm very thankful for the gifts that I have received, and it means so much to me. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe down to my channel below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!